Welcome back, you guys. This is Riley here with Learn With Me. This time I'm just going to do a quick compost turn, and like I told you before in like previous updates, I've told you that I don't have a lot of time. I'm a parent, and so I got a family, I got my wife, I got my kids, so I have to dedicate that. Not only that, I have a full-time job outside of that, and trying to run a YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you just how I keep like one of my quick turns whenever I don't have enough time to really dedicate time to getting into my compost pile. So let's get to it. First off, I'm gonna just start breaking everything back up again. It's been like 2 weeks since I've done the last one, and so I'm gonna go ahead just go through here with my little messer upper and kind of tear this apart a good bit, and then I'm gonna dig a hole like the usual, and then I'm gonna put my compost in, and I'm gonna cover the hole up, and then well, as you can see right now, to kind of speed things up, I'm kind of soaking this whole thing so it's a bit easier to break apart. But yeah, after that, dig a hole, gonna put the stuff in it and my food scraps in it, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, you guys, that's gonna be a wrap. As you can see, I'm probably gonna just kind of stir this up a little bit more, but outside of that, we're good to go. But like I said, when you don't have a lot of time, you can do this to kind of buy because you don't need like compost ready compost unless you're just that serious of a gardener. And I'm not that serious of a gardener. I'm somebody that wants to do it and wants to reduce the waste that we have in this world. So this works for me, and it also is gonna eventually help my garden. So I'll take that for what it is. Feel free to like and comment, or if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments as well.